Okay, this is a jewelry unboxing. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 little bundles from ShopGoodwill. I thought it would be an easy one. The total amount I paid was $64.58. So when we're done off camera and I figure out exactly how many items that are listable, I will put my final cost of goods in the description. Let me turn on the gem tester just in case. It's off to the side, but that's all right. I did find a magnet. I don't think there's gonna be gold and silver or anything. I found one magnet. I have a flashlight for like a UV flashlight. I can never find it. I can never find any of my stuff, but let's try this one. We'll zoom in if we need to. What was this called? They didn't really give these a title. Some of them give it like a description. I don't know, I just thought these were cute. And that I might be able to sell these. This looks old. Because of the clasp here. So it's something we'll definitely research. I don't see any markings. Definitely an old vintage brooch. I don't know if this is the right kind of magnet. Does it stick to things? It sticks to metal. Okay, that might be one worth testing. I don't really know. I haven't done a lot of metal testing in like a while, but I did find my kit. I don't know. I think I need a better magnet. Let's just test it on some other random thing that we know isn't silver. Like, here's a cute necklace. Yeah, so it does stick to that. So I would think that big piece would make like a pretty big magnetic, because there's nothing. So that's cool. Look at that chunker. Really old. We'll have to research. We'll test it for sterling. I don't know. I never like wanted to spend a lot of time on that, but I'm getting more interested lately. Let's check these ones. Brooch. This has the more modern clasp style. Cool. I don't know if we have enough light. Just check my settings. All right. I don't know sometimes. I'm getting nothing with my magnet. Oh. But again, it's not like the best magnet. I could never find a good one. I had some that were really strong and they're never anywhere to be found. My kids take everything and or I hide things from my kids and then I never find them. Here's a third one. I think I paid $10 for these 3. Yeah, $9.99. Another very old clasp type. Cool. I have to research these, test them for sterling, see what we can get for them. I think I could definitely make my $10 back, and I could test this. Is this a stone or a piece of plastic? Let me test it real quick off camera. There's not enough. No, it's nothing. So just a piece of plastic in this one. So it's not. I think it may be made to look old. All right, what was the next group? Very tangled. I wish they'd do a little bit better job. Cute little, this is Avon. Avon silver tone lot. Mother of pearl pendant from Avon. Cute little dainty necklace. Clips. I think everything in here is Avon. Yep. Little knot, silver knot clips. Just straighten out my phone a little bit. several necklaces. I don't know if I have the patience to untangle them, guys, on camera. But we'll see what we can get loose. Really pretty. There's Avon SP on the back. Okay, I like these. Looks like everything's gonna be saleable, which is like the more important thing sometimes than every item being like, it's just like, can I at least sell this for something? It's a bit tingly, see? Let me see if I could shake anything else loose. I don't want to spend too much time detangling. Here's one. Because I want to keep the video to like 20 minutes. Avon. Gorgeous. Look at the little flower bells. Love that one. There's like a little extender I got loose, but not the necklace itself. Okay, this one's so pretty. Avon. Oh, so cute. It has a little extender. I'll add back to it because that's always appreciated because these are pretty dainty. And it looks like 3 more Avon necklaces. Really dainty. Love it. Okay, 2 more. Let's see if I can get them apart real quick. If not, I'll just show you the pendants. All right, I don't know if I'm gonna get them apart super quick. Oh, yep. Really pretty, like a dream catcher almost. Yep, also Avon. I think everything in this lot was Avon. Perfect. Kind of nice, because then collectors, I mean, I'm sure I have definitely more Avon listed already, but collectors can have like several pieces to pick from. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So far we have 11 items, 11 saleable items, which is really good. 2 more bags. Let me just write down the 11 so I know, because I might even be able to break down the cost per good at the end. I like these like tennis bracelet styles, even if they're just fashion. I have literally found diamonds and lots like these. I just found diamonds and another one. So we have 4 pieces. So pretty. Does it say anything? Nothing on the bag. Does this one have a mark? So here's the gold tone one. There is a mark. Zoom in. PAG. I don't know if that means anything. We'll have to look that up. I can barely see the stones on this one. They're so tiny. Let me test them. I did have something that wasn't Sterling test for diamond. So I guess that is a thing. So these stones are so little, I might have to do it after because I'm just hitting metal. The rest we should be able to test. These are like almost like light blue tinge on here. I don't see any marks. Really pretty though. Oh, and the magnet thing. I already lost the magnet. You guys are gonna be like, yeah, I think I need a better magnet. It does attract some of the Avon jewelry, most of it, but I don't think it's gonna attract any of these heavier pieces at all. it does for the gold. What about this one? Nothing. Nothing on that one. Nothing on that one. Huh. Okay, let me just test this one off camera real quick. Okay, just give you an idea if it's glass or maybe some type of gemstone. Yeah, just glass on these. Super cute though. Cute little glass, like light blue tinge. This one's so cute with the hearts. I do think these all are pretty like sealable. Let's look at this mark. Same thing, PAG, China. I don't think it's anything, but it's super cute. Yeah, I got another lot like this, and there was like Swarovski diamonds, bracelet, like a vintage diamond bracelet. So this one is testing for the gemstones. Cute. So this little heart one does have gemstones in the little green. It's green. There's just 4. They all test as stones, so that's very cute. A really cute little gemstone piece. Here's this one. See if these are glass. Probably glass. Very pretty. Oh, Swarovski. What? So, you know I'm going to be buying every lot like this now. This is the second one that I've gotten. Zoom all the way in. Make sure I'm not am I imagining it? That looks like the swan. Oh, nope, my bad. It's not a swan. Looks like an N, could be Nadri. Bummer. Oh, so close. They tried to trick us. Still cute though. Number 2. Let's just check it, see if the stones are glass. Yeah, cute little glass stone tennis bracelet. Not real stones, but glass tennis bracelet. We'll look up the marks just to be on the safe side if it is a brand or just the mark. Cute. All right, so that's 4 more saleable pieces. So that brings us to 16 pieces. One more bag. I like these little lots. I kind of want to do a big one today, but I don't know because I got to photograph all this. Like forcing myself to photograph everything before I move on, which is so challenging for me. Zoom out a little. Is this Napier? Everlane? Oh, Park Lane. Really nice. Park Lane Omega Gold Tone. I think this is a Park Lane lot. I like that. Here's the brooch. Does this have a mark? I don't see a signature on this brooch. I feel like my lighting, it's so hard to like get the lighting just right in this room because there is a window, there is a skylight, I have shades, but it varies every day. I liked my dad's little basement room that I filmed in because the light was like, I think much more consistent. Cool piece. And here I also keep tilting my phone. That's all right, we'll get it right. I just started filming these again, so it'll take a little while to get it right. Park Lane, I love this thing. Big chunky chain. We'll have to look this one up. I mean, typically I don't sell Park Lane for very much. Oh, and it's missing stones. Bummer, but I think it is pretty enough to still sell. I don't see any stones. I did have one little stone on my table that I might be able to use. So this is a little set trio, the brooch and the earrings. So that's very cute. I'll sell those together probably. Oh yeah, and the oh, they say Claudette. That's interesting. So it must have been, why are we not focusing here? I'll have to play around with my settings, guys. It drives me crazy. Cute little set. Park Lane stretch. I like this. This kind of thing I would wear, even though it's so simple. Just vintage like stretch. A ring. Park Lane ring. Really cute. And jewels by Park Lane. These are older pieces, so I'll have to kind of check them out. So how many more pieces? How many more lots here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll probably still list this even with the missing stone. It's so hard to see. Or I might see if I have one I can fit in there. Or if I can find it here. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 pieces here. Let's put everything back so you can kind of see it. We can take our thumbnail shot. I don't know, I'm happy with this little bundle. So 22 pieces total at $64.58. So that puts us at $2.93 per item is our cost of goods, which is pretty good. Under $3 is the goal. Lately I've been venturing in like the $3 to $4 range, but even if I get one really good sale from this, you know, I could potentially cover my cost and more, like if this is sterling. And who knows, sometimes it's hard to predict what will sell and what will sell quick. Alrighty, so keep an eye out. I'll try to post unboxings every day, and I'll try to post my what solds every day, and let me know which type of videos you guys like for me to focus on. Alrighty, hoping to get all this stuff listed within the next 48 hours. So just keep an eye on my Poshmark closet, Mom Hobby Jewelry. All right, thanks so much. Have a great day.